Wait! Before we start, do you want a bundle of 30 printable Romanian PDF cheat sheets, teaching you words and phrases for conversations for free? Then click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get access. Wait! Before we start, do you want a bundle of 30 printable Romanian PDF cheat sheets, teaching you words and phrases for conversations for free? Then click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get access.
Hi all, my name is Larissa, and today we are going to talk about the month of January in Romania. In Romania, January is a cold month, but very rich with holidays and traditions reflecting the country's cultural heritage. In this video, we're going to have a look at some of the notable ones. Are you ready? Here we go. First, you might be wondering, what's the weather like in January in Romania? Cum este vremea în ianuarie în România? Vreme means weather. Vreme. Vreme. And January is ianuarie. Ianuarie. That's how we say January in Romanian. Well, January is midwinter in Romania. This means Romanians experience very cold temperatures and also snow. Zăpadă. Zăpadă. Do you like snow? Do you like zăpadă? Now, Transylvania, which is the area west of the Carpathian Mountains, has slightly milder winters, while the eastern region of the country has very cold winters. Whereas if you go to the coastal Black Sea region, you will find more sort of Mediterranean climate with mild winters. So what's the temperature like? Cum este temperatura? Temperatură means temperature. Temperatură. Overall, it is cold in Romania in January. Este frig. Frig. Frig means cold. The average temperature range in January in Romania is between -6 and 1 degree Celsius, with low to moderate rain and snowfall, as I mentioned earlier. Remember how to say snow? Zăpadă. Zăpadă. As you can expect, some winters can be longer and harsher than others. And I want to share with you a piece of trivia. It is about the year 2012, as this was one of the harshest winters in recent years in Romania. It was so harsh that in the months of January-February 2012, both the Danube River and the Black Sea froze. Now that's something spectacular to see. If you are wondering what is the absolute minimum temperature ever recorded in the month of January on Romanian territory, that is -38.5 degrees Celsius. This is also the absolute minimum temperature ever recorded in Romania. It was recorded in January 1942 in a little town in Brașov County. -38.5 degrees? Brrr, ce frig! I said that January is ianuarie in Romanian. Well, I'll throw in another fun fact here for you, which is that traditionally the month of ianuarie is called gerar. Gerar. Like all languages, Romanian has its own quirks too. And one of the most interesting ones is the fact that there are two sets of names for the months of the year. Prior to adopting the Gregorian calendar back in 1919, Romanian language had its own words for the months of the year, now referred to as traditional names of the months. Ger means bitter cold, so gerar means connected to ger. Therefore, January is traditionally called the month connected to the bitter cold. Alright, now that we know that it's cold and probably snowy in Romania in January, depending on which area of the country you find yourself in, let's have a look and see how do Romanians enjoy this time of the year. Well, on January 1st, like many other countries, Romanians welcome the new year with celebrations, music and concerts, fireworks at midnight, and family gatherings with lots of food and drinks. New Year is Anul Nou. Anul Nou. And January 1st is 1 Ianuarie. 1 Ianuarie. January 1st is a public holiday and the children are usually on their winter break. Vacanța de iarnă, winter break, which lasts until the 7th of January. When the clock strikes midnight on December 31st, Romanians kiss and hug and wish each other La mulți ani! La mulți ani! Which can also mean happy birthday, but in this context it translates as Happy New Year. La mulți ani! La mulți ani literally means many years, so La mulți ani can translate as here's to many more years ahead. The first day of the year also celebrates Saint Basil, Sfântul Vasile, who in popular tradition appears as one of the saints who have done great wonders and is a guardian of evil spirits. To those who celebrate their name day on Saint Basil's Day, we say La mulți ani de Sfântul Vasile. Where do you usually spend New Year's? Unde sărbătoriți Anul Nou? Again, unde sărbătoriți Anul Nou? In Romania, some people enjoy staying at home for New Year's, de Anul Nou, while others prefer renting a lodge in the mountains where there is usually snow around this time of the year, and they all celebrate until the morning. Many people prefer going skiing around this time of year. You may know that Romania is home to a number of ski resorts situated in the Carpathian Mountains, such as Poiana Brașov, Sinaia, or Predeal. With a variety of beginner to expert slopes, if you visit Romania in January, you too can enjoy skiing or snowboarding or maybe a snow fight while admiring the breathtaking winter surroundings in Romania. Now, let's have a look at local traditions and customs. Wherever one chooses to welcome the 1st of January, starting with the New Year's Eve, expect to hear plugușorul. Plugușorul. Plugușorul is a traditional Romanian type of carol or poem rooted in the old agricultural heritage of Romania. It is meant to bring prosperity and wealth. Plugușor literally means little plow in Romanian. It is common to see groups of adults and children dressed in thick clothes with hats decorated with colorful pieces of paper, holding in their hands bells and whips. The band that performs the tradition of plugușor is rewarded by the hosts of the houses they visit with apples, nuts, or money. Romania is a land full of complex traditions and superstitions, with a long history. Another tradition in the new year is the bear dance, dansul ursului, dansul ursului, which is a traditional dance where people dress in bear costumes and dance to chase away the evil spirits. This may sound odd to some, but in Moldova region, people are dressing up as bears in order to purify the land, marching the streets in groups, singing special songs accompanied with drums and flutes. The people in the group, dressed in bear skins, have to walk slowly and show the bear power of making the transition between winter and spring. Another folkloric tradition around New Year's involves a dance with a wooden goat figure, also symbolizing good harvest and prosperity. The goat dance, dansul capri, dansul capri. Groups of carolers are gathering in order to manufacture the costume of one or several goats from wood and paper, and then they are marching the streets dancing the goat dance and making a lot of noise. The purpose of wearing masks and of this ritual is also to scare away the bad spirits and to bring luck and abundance in the new year. On the 1st of January, there is also the tradition of Sorkova, when in the morning children visit their relatives and their neighbors to chant prosperity verses and throw rice and wheat seeds on their floors. What is Sorkova? Children usually have to manufacture a special item, which is called sorkova. Sorkova, which is a stick or a twig decorated with artificial flowers of different colors, with which then they lightly tap adults on their heads or backs with it, wishing them good health and happiness. In exchange, they receive local delicacies, cozonac, apples, nuts, while in urban areas it is common for children to receive cash, candies, or oranges. On January 6th, Romanians celebrate Boboteaza, the Epiphany, the religious holiday commemorating the baptism of Jesus Christ. Traditions include priests throwing a cross into a body of water and men diving to retrieve it for good luck. Whereas it is said that single young girls who put a twig of basil under their pillow the night before Boboteaza will dream their future husband. Old people say that if the weather is nice on the Epiphany Day, the year will be rich in bread and fish. January 7th is dedicated to Saint John the Baptist, Sfântul Ioan Botezătorul, the saint who baptized Jesus in the Jordan water, and is one of the most important religious holidays in January after the Epiphany Day celebrated the day before. It also marks the end of the winter holidays in Romania. On this day, most Romanian Christians go to churches to attend religious services. The believers wash their faces with the holy water called aghiazmă in Romanian that they received on the Epiphany Day. It is said that this way they will be safe and healthy in the year to come. John, or Ion in Romanian, is a common name in Romania, so many people celebrate their name day with gatherings and feasts. It is believed that those who are sad on this day will have bad luck and will be unhappy all year. Thus, it's better to not forget to smile on January the 7th. Last but not least, on the 24th of January, Romanians celebrate the day of the unification of the Romanian principalities, Ziua Unirii Principatelor Române, also called the Little Union Day, Mica Unire, Mica Unire. This day marks the 1859 union of the principalities of Moldavia, in Romanian Moldova, and Wallachia, in Romanian Wallachia, under the rule of Alexandru Ioan Cuza. This event played a key role in the future formation of Romania as we know it today, and it is a significant historical event celebrated with various ceremonies and educational events. Although it had been celebrated for many years, it only became an official public holiday in 2015, and it is a day off for the general population, with schools and most businesses being closed. Thank you for watching the video until the end. These were just some of the traditions which I prepared for you today, which we saw reflect a blend of religious, historical, and cultural practices, showcasing Romania's rich heritage. Whether you want to visit Romania in January for the traditions or for the ski and snowboard opportunities, hopefully this video was useful for you and will enrich your holiday stay in Romania. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and also the subscribe button so you can be notified when we upload our next video. Vă mulțumesc! Pe data viitoare! Thank you! See you next time!
Now that you're finished with this lesson, don't forget, as a free bonus, you get over 30 conversation cheat sheets, but only if you sign up via the link in the description. You'll learn how to have flowing conversations and how to answer the most common questions. You can also print out these colorful cheat sheets to keep as physical study material. So don't miss out on this free gift. Click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get your PDF cheat sheets. Want to easily remember new vocab and phrases? Fact: everyone, beginners and advanced learners alike, forgets new words the first time they learn them. So what's the secret to remembering? What do smart learners do? They note them down and review them later. And you can do this with our study tool called the Word Bank, your extended brain for language learning. And in this video, you'll discover 1. How to save keywords and phrases, 2. How to review the words so that you never forget them, and 3. How to create your own printable vocabulary worksheets. But first, if you don't yet have access to this tool and our lessons, just click the link down in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account right now. First, what is the Word Bank? The Word Bank is a premium study tool, and it's your personal language database where you can save new words and phrases with a single click, review them all in one spot, and never forget them. Think of it as your extended brain for language learning. Look for the Word Bank in the vocabulary drop-down menu on the site, or inside the menu in our app. So, how do you take full advantage of this powerful study tool? 2. How to save keywords and phrases. If you're taking a lesson and want to save key vocab, simply go to the vocabulary section. Select the words you'd like to save and click on Add to Word Bank. If you're using the core word list, like the 2,000 most common words, or the vocabulary lists, select the words, go to Add Selected Words, and click on Word Bank. Now, the words and phrases are saved in your Word Bank, and you can even organize the entries with labels like adjectives, verbs, or phrases. 3. How to review the words. Once you save the words to your Word Bank, you can easily see all of them, all in one spot. With every word or phrase, you get the audio pronunciation, the translation, and even the related lessons where they're introduced. That way, you can review the words one by one. If you'd like to study words with flashcards, just click on Sync to Flashcard Deck. This will create a flashcard deck of your Word Bank entries for you to study. 4. How to create your own printable vocabulary worksheets. If you want to have physical worksheets and practice writing the words on paper, then click on Printer-Friendly Version and print out your Word Bank entries. You can even export your Word Bank as PDF, CSV, or XML files. Remember, you can use this powerful feature with flashcards, lessons, and vocab lists, so take advantage right now. Save new words and phrases to your Word Bank with a single click. Review them all in one spot and never forget them with the Word Bank feature. But if you don't yet have access, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account. Now that you're finished with this lesson, don't forget, as a free bonus, you get over 30 conversation cheat sheets, but only if you sign up via the link in the description. You'll learn how to have flowing conversations and how to answer the most common questions. You can also print out these colorful cheat sheets to keep as physical study material. So don't miss out on this free gift. Click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get your PDF cheat sheets.